Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be focusing on deep cleaning the house as Easter is in a few days and we're going to be having family around. So if you need all the motivation to tidy up and get ready for Easter and family, join me today, get your cleaning products and let's begin. So I personally like to start in the bedrooms because I know if my guests are going to be sleeping over, I like to clean the room in advance. And right now I'm just changing the bedding. This is just fresh bedding. I prefer to clean the room first and then make the beds because I find deep cleaning and changing the bedding is quite exhausting because I find changing the bed quite a tedious task. So give this video a thumbs up if you agree. It's exhausting putting that bed sheet on the mattress because you have to climb up and down several times. Well, I do anyway, so it's not my favorite task to do. But apart from that, I enjoy it when my guests are coming to sleep over because obviously we're going to be spending more time together and catching up. So that's one thing I love about Easter, more family time. So now onto the kitchen. We're going to do the place that I always forget to clean, which is the microwave. Easter obviously going to be a lot of cooking, so we can't have an ugly looking microwave. We need to get that deep cleaned. Mine, you can't even see the screen. So I'm going to use Fairy Washing Up Liquid and it's easier that way. Works fast, degreaser, it's perfect. So that's one of my favorite things to use, actually, Fairy Washing Up Liquid on my appliances if they're not too bad. And just a dishwashing cloth, and I'm going to dry it up and maybe use a paper towel. But looking on the inside, it's really, really bad. So it's Fairy Washing Up Liquid and a Minky scrubber as well. I do normally use the elbow grease scrubber, but I don't know where it is at the moment. But either way, it doesn't matter as long as the microwave is cleaned. So here's a friendly reminder to clean your microwave. Mine is now clean and buffering it up with a paper towel. So yeah, onto the windows because they are needing a little bit of TLC. I just don't like it when they've got like bits of dust on them. So I always get onto them quite quickly. And yeah, I'm using the pink stuff and the scrubber again because those are my perfect combination, and I'm using a microfiber cloth to just wipe it off. So I'm again just checking out all my stock on all my cleaning products and my laundry products. It's going to be a 4-day holiday, 4-day weekend in the UK. So I just need to make sure I've got everything. I don't want to be running around in the shops. So I was looking for my dishwashing tablets and I've got enough to last me through the 4-day weekend. So yeah, and all my cloths are going to be staying there. I'm just going to fold them and put them there. So now onto the floors. I'm going to be using disinfectant. So this is the Zoflora. I previously mopped the floors 2 days ago. So right now I'm just quickly going through them with just disinfectant. Let me know in the comment section below if you are enjoying this content. Also, let me know what you guys are doing to get ready for Easter. Are you guys deep cleaning? Are you cooking? Are you baking? Just let me know in the comment section below what you guys are going to be getting up to this Easter if you are celebrating, even if you're not, and just enjoying the 4-day holiday or just enjoying spending time with family, or maybe you are working. Just let me know in the comment section below. So once I am done with the mopping, I am going to go into the bathroom. Again, this is just like our guest bathroom, and I am going to give this a quick clean, starting with the taps. I love using the flash. I just think it smells really lovely, and I like how it forms up as well. So just giving the sink a quick clean up, and I'm using the Minky scrubber. This one is specifically for the bathroom. I don't like to mix any of my scrubbers. If it's for the kitchen, it's for the kitchen. If it's for the bathroom, it belongs in the bathroom. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to buffer up the tap and just dry the surfaces, and I'm going to focus on the drains because we don't want smelly drains. So I just pour a bit of Zoflora down there as well, and it makes it smell really nice. I'm also going to clean the surface where all these things stay. I'm going to use the same product again. just dry up and put everything back. So it's just a stock count. Do I have enough toilet paper? And I'm also going to focus on spraying the toilet flush. So I use the Dettol spray. It works really fast, works really well. I use it on all other surfaces as well. And I'm also going to focus on the bathtub, again using the same product. But yeah. That's it for me, guys. Again, I'm just going to repeat the process for the drains, and we don't want smelly drains, but I'm going to mop up the floor, and that's it. That's my get ready for Easter video done. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content. But if you can't wait until next week, please watch any of the videos below. All right, bye.